Top 9 Passive Income Ideas. The journey to passive income is a quest many aspire to undertake. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into various avenues, exploring their feasibility in not just starting but sustaining a stream of $100 a month in passive income. From stocks and shares to online courses, we'll evaluate the challenges and rewards associated with each approach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. The formula for $100 a month. Once you have it, can you keep it? Unlocking the formula for generating $100 a month in passive income marks a significant milestone on the entrepreneurial journey. The key lies in understanding the economic dynamics of membership communities, where the power of recurring revenue propels sustainable financial growth. Once this threshold is achieved, maintaining and scaling it becomes a more manageable and strategic task. Membership communities operate on the principle of providing value in exchange for a recurring fee. The initial challenge is to attract a dedicated audience willing to subscribe to the offered content or services. This could range from exclusive access to premium content, specialized knowledge, or a community of like-minded individuals. As the community grows, so does the passive income generated, creating a steady stream of revenue. Reaching the $100 per month mark signifies that the community has achieved a level of stability and consistency. At this point, the focus shifts from the initial stages of attracting members to the ongoing task of retention and engagement. Maintaining this threshold involves consistently delivering value to members, keeping them engaged, and possibly introducing new features or content to enhance the overall membership experience. Courses, a gateway to passive income. Unleash the potential of creating and selling online courses as a powerful avenue for generating passive income. Teaching a valuable skill has emerged as one of the easiest and most sustainable ways to establish a passive income stream. Let's delve into the process of course creation, its accessibility, and the enduring rewards it can bring once established. Creating an online course begins with identifying a skill or expertise you possess that others may find valuable to learn. This could range from professional skills such as coding, graphic design, or digital marketing to personal development areas like mindfulness, fitness, or language learning. The key is to leverage your knowledge and expertise to provide tangible value to potential learners. The accessibility of online platforms has democratized the process of course creation. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare offer user-friendly interfaces that allow instructors to design, upload, and sell their courses with ease. This accessibility not only lowers the barriers for entry, but also enables a global reach, tapping into a diverse audience. Podcasting, the road to passive income with a mic in hand. The podcasting journey is often portrayed as straightforward, but what challenges lie beneath the surface when aiming to reach $100 a month in passive income through this medium? Let's dissect the nuances of podcasting, exploring both its simplicity of initiation and the hurdles encountered in the pursuit of that elusive monthly goal. Podcasting offers a relatively low barrier to entry with minimal equipment requirements and various hosting platforms available for creators. Initiating a podcast involves choosing a niche, designing cover art, recording episodes, and selecting a hosting platform. The simplicity of getting started has contributed to the podcasting boom, allowing individuals with diverse interests to share their voices and stories. However, the path to generating passive income from a podcast involves overcoming challenges, building a dedicated audience, effective promotion, and securing sponsorships are crucial elements in reaching the $100 per month threshold. Growing listenership requires consistent and engaging content, strategic marketing efforts, and a deep understanding of your target audience. Additionally, Establishing partnerships with sponsors demands a proactive approach, compelling pitch, and alignment with advertisers relevant to your podcast theme. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Affiliate marketing, navigating the landscape of partnerships. Unravel the world of affiliate marketing and understand the mechanics behind making $100 a month through affiliate programs. How many signups or purchases are required, and what strategies can be employed to ensure a steady flow of income. Find out the intricacies of this dynamic field. Creative ventures, monetizing your unique skills. Case studies provide valuable insights into the world of creativity-driven passive income. Explore success stories like Traft's iOS 14 icon set and understand how leveraging unique skills can lead to substantial gains. Uncover the balance between creativity and profitability. Patreon, building a community for ongoing support. Dive into the Patreon model, where content creators build communities and receive ongoing support from patrons. Explore real-life examples like the Patreon success of a creator with 626 patrons. Learn the steps to cultivate and maintain a supportive audience. Stocks and shares, the slow but steady path to passive income. Demystify the world of stocks and shares in the pursuit of $100 a month in passive income. Understand the investment required and the expected returns over time. Is this a viable option for those seeking a gradual yet consistent source of passive income? Starting a YouTube channel, challenges and triumphs. YouTube, a platform accessible to many, is often considered for passive income. Evaluate the challenges of starting a channel and understand the milestones required for each $100 a month. Gain insights into the YouTube landscape and its income potential. Evaluating difficulty levels, a rating system. Assessing the difficulty levels of each passive income stream provides a clearer roadmap. Utilizing a rating system, we explore the ease of initiation, the challenges in reaching the $100 threshold, and the sustainability of each method. Navigating the landscape of passive income. As we conclude this exploration, it's evident that passive income is achievable through various channels. Each avenue comes with its own set of challenges, but with persistence and strategic planning, the goal of $100 a month can be within reach. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach, so find a path that aligns with your skills, interests, and long-term goals. Empowering your financial journey. Thank you for embarking on this journey to uncover the secrets of passive income. Whether you're delving into stocks, courses, podcasts, or other avenues, may your pursuit be both rewarding and enlightening. Take control of your financial destiny, and may passive income be the catalyst for greater financial freedom. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.